Hello class 8 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's class, we will learn how to find out the surface area of cube, cuboid and a cylinder. Okay, we are in lecture 3, chapter 11 and we will learn today how to find out the surface area of cube, cuboid and a cylinder. Okay, now what is surface area beta? Surface area and area is one and the same thing. So don't get confused with the word surface, add it to area. Okay, it is one and the same thing. Now we have two types of area beta, that is total surface area, this is known as TSA, and the other one is lateral surface area, that is known as CSA. It is also known as curved surface area beta. They are same. Okay, lateral surface area and curved surface area both are same, and this is denoted by CSA. Now students, first we will learn what is cuboid. Now as I told you earlier, this is a cuboid beta. You are familiar with this shape. Okay, this is a cuboid, and the area means, what is the area? That is total area means area of the complete figure. कितना इसका area है? तो this is length and this is breadth and this is height. So area of the cuboid, that is total surface area of cuboid, is given to you by the formula 2 bracket close L into B plus B into H plus H into L, right? So this is the formula to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, now the second one, lateral surface area or curved surface area. Okay, CSA, it is given to you by 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. Okay, so do remember these formulas, they are very important. Total surface area means area of the complete figure, and curved surface area means only the area of the walls. Total 4 walls, हम टॉप और बॉटम नहीं लेते हैं, ठीक है. लेटरल और कर्व्ड में ऊपर रूफ एंड फ्लोर इज exempted. We don't calculate these top and bottom, we only calculate the area of the 4 walls. Okay, so that is known as lateral surface area. Total surface area में we calculate the area of top, bottom plus all the 4 walls, right? Good. Now student, we will learn cube. अभी हमने cuboid किया था, now we will learn cube. What is cube? I am drawing the figure here. स्क्वायर बनाएंगे, okay, this is cube. Now again we have two areas. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into साइड का स्क्वायर. इन क्यूब ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल बेटा. ये भी a अगर लेते हैं, ये भी a लेते हैं, हाइट भी a हो जाएगा. All three length, breadth and height are same in cube, so the total surface area is given by 6 into side square. Okay, it can be written as 6 into a square. A is equal to side. Okay, now what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area means you are exempting top and floor. So curved surface area becomes 4 into a square, right? This is the curved surface area of the cube. Clear students? Now student, we will learn cylinder. Now see, this is the shape of the cylinder. Okay, somewhat like this. This is the cylinder. This is the height. we will join, this is known as height and this is the radius. Okay, so total surface area of a cylinder is given by, total surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r h plus r. 2 pi r is the radius and h is the height. Okay, height of the cylinder, h is equal to height and r is equal to radius. Okay, total surface area. Now curved surface area, it is given by 2 pi rh, 2 pi rh, r radius, h height. Now student, when we use curved surface area, again in cylinder also we will exempt, हम top नहीं लेंगे और bottom नहीं लेंगे, only the curved area, जो हमारा curved है, only this part, we will not include the top, we will not include the bottom area, right? So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi rh, total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Good. Now student, we will do one example. Example 1 from your book, page number 184. An aquarium is in the form of the cuboid. Aquarium in which we keep fishes. Okay, it is of the shape of cuboid whose external diameters are 80, 30 and 40. Okay, now it is a cuboid. Okay, now length, breadth and height are given to us. If it is not mentioned which is height, which is length, then you will take first one as length, second one is breadth and the last one as height. If it is not mentioned, then the first dimension is of length, second one is of breadth and the third one is of height. Okay, so length, breadth and height is given to us 80 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Now the faces are to be covered with the paper. The base, the side faces and the back are to be covered. The base, the side faces are to be covered by the colored paper. We are not covering the top. Only the side faces and the bottom is to be covered with the colored paper. So find out the area of the paper needed. Okay, so good. The length of the aquarium is 80, breadth and height. So first we will find out the area of the base. Area of the base is equal to base, this is length and this is breadth. Rectangular form है बेटा, तो L into B हो जाएगा. Area of the base is equal to L into B. कितना है बेटे? Is equal to 80 into 30, that is 8 3 are 2400 centimeter square. Now area of the side faces of side breadth and height is equal to 40. So B into H, that is breadth is how much? 30 into 40, that is equal to 1200 centimeter square. Now area of the back face, this is the length and this is the breadth. This is the length and this is the breadth. So breadth is equal to L into H. Length and height, this is height. Okay, so you can find out length is how much? Length is 80 into 40. That is equal to 3200 centimeter square. now the required area is equal to area two faces and the bottom. So area of the back is, area of the base is equal to 2400 plus area of the side faces beta, area of the side face is equal to area of the side face, this and this, तो two side face हो जाएंगे बेटे, this will be equal to 2 into 1200 plus area of the back, area of the back is equal to base हमारा आ गया 2400, side हमारा 2400 and this will be equal to 32 and the 3200, so this will become 2400 plus again 2400 plus 3200, 8000 centimeter square is your answer. Okay, now the question is, this is the aquarium, cuboid shape aquarium है, you have to cover this four side, 1 2 3 4 and the base ऊपर हम कवर नहीं करेंगे. Find out the area of the required paper. The area of the required paper is 88,000 centimeter square. Okay. Now student, come to the exercise 11.3. There are the two cuboidal faces as shown in the figure 1. Question number 1. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? Okay, lesser amount of material required है, we will find out the area. The first figure is given, that is cuboidal shape. A figure जो है बेटा cuboid shape का है. And the second figure is of the cube shape. Right? Now this is 60, this is 40 and the height is 50. All this is in centimeter, and here it is 50 meter, again 50. Okay, this is cube and this is cuboid. Now question is, which box require the lesser amount of material to make? What we will find out? We will find out their surface area. Total surface area of the cuboid is equal to, of cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL, right? So total surface area will be equal to 2 into L into B, that is length is equal to 60, breadth is equal to 40 and height is equal to 50. So L into B, that is 60 into 40 plus B into H, 40 into 50 plus 60 into HL, height 50 into 60. Okay, this is the formula for total surface area of cuboid. 2 60 into 40 is how much? 6 into 6 4 is 2400. 4 5s are 20. 0 plus 6 5s are 30. This will equal to 2 into, we will add them. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5000. 5 and 2. 3 into 50,000 हो गया बेटा, 5,000. 5 and 2 74 is equal to 2 4s are 8 to 158. 158 centimeter square. Okay, Now we'll find out the area of the cube. Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 into side, that is 50 into 50 is equal to 6 into 50 into 50 is how much, student? 5 5 is 2500. Again is equal to, we will multiply by 6. 6 5s are 33, 15, 1 2 centimeter square. So which is more, 158 or 150? So this is more. So total the material required to make cuboid will be more. Material, what is your answer, beta? Material needed for cuboid will be more, because total surface area of the cuboid is greater than total surface area of the cube, right? This is your question number 1. Now come to question number 3 of exercise 11.3. Find the side of the cube whose surface area. Surface area means total surface area. Total surface area of cube is given to us is 600 centimeter square. Okay, this is the total surface area of the cube. Find the side. You have to find the side. What we will do, we know that total surface area TSA is equal to 6 into A square. Total surface area is given to us, that is 600. We will write the value. 600 upon 6, cancel out. 100 is equal to A square. A is equal to under root 100 is equal to 10. So side will be equal to 10 centimeter. This is your answer, beta. Okay. So that's how you will attempt question number 3. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 of exercise 11.3. Question number 7 says a closed cylindrical tank. We have a closed cylindrical tank. Okay, this is the closed tank of the radius 7 meter. The radius of this tank is 7 and the height given to us is how much? Height is 3 meter. How much sheet of the metal is required? You have to find out the total surface area. कितना हमको चाहिए? Because base तो है, ऊपर से covered भी है, तो total surface area of cylinder is given by, what is the formula, beta? Total surface of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. You know the formula. Keep the value here. 2 into 22 upon 7. Pi का value रखा. What is the diameter or radius? That is 7. And what is the radius? Radius is 7, right? And height is, okay, multiply 7 plus 3. So total surface area will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10. 7 7s cancel out. 44 into 10 is 440. 440 meter square sheet का area है, which is required to make a cylinder, right? Good. Come to question number 9, student, exercise 11.3. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution. Now, road roller takes 750 revolution. जो आगे का जो wheel होता है, that is of the form of cylinder. Okay, the wheel of road roller is of this shape. Okay, now road roller takes 750 revolution. Number of revolution कितना है हमारे पास? Number of revolution is equal to 750. Okay, good. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter. Diameter of the road roller, this is 84 centimeter and the length is 1 meter. This is the length is 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, you find out the area of the road. So area of the road will be equal to the number of revolution. Okay, so in one revolution how much distance is covered? equal to its circumference. One revolution covers distance equal to its circumference. What is the circumference of the given cylinder? C is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7. And what is the radius? Radius will be 84 upon 2, because this is diameter, so half of the diameter is the radius. Now 7 into 7, 7 to the 14, 2 से 2 cancel out, 12 to the 24, 2 carry 12 to the 24, 25, 26, 264 centimeter is the circumference. Okay, in one revolution how much area is covered? 264. How many revolution has taken? 750 revolution. So distance covered is equal to is equal to 750 into 264. Find out. 198,000 centimeter. So this is the distance covered. Okay, but we have to give answer in meter. So your answer will be 198,123 upon 100. Cancel out. This will be equal to 1980 मीटर. दिस इज योर आंसर. इतना रोड बनेगा इस इतने रिवॉल्यूशन में. दिस मच ऑफ द रोड एरिया विल बी completed. Okay, now student, do rest of the questions on your own. All are just similar as we discussed here. Do each and every questions neatly in your copies. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, bye bye, take care.